Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Spices and More. In today's video, let's see how to prepare kurka or Chinese potato stir fry. Locally in Goa, this tuber or root vegetable is known as kuku kanga or barik kanga and is widely available mostly during the winter season. For that I have taken about 300 grams of Chinese potatoes, and since these are root vegetable, it is coated with soil. I need to scrub it off first thoroughly. After washing it and scrubbing it, I have soaked it in the water further to do away with any dirt or dust on it. Soak it for about 2 or 3 hours. Again wash it, and then you need to pressure cook this for about 2 to 3 whistles or until done. Next I have heated a pan and I have added about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and here we are preparing the stir fry. I have added half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it crackle properly. In goes half teaspoon of cumin seed or the jeera seeds. Then I'll be adding in pinch of asafoetida or the hing. Hing helps in the digestion process. Now here I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 2 slit green chilies. Give it a stir and saute it for about 2 seconds on low to medium flame. So next I'm here adding in 1 bay leaf and about 5 to 6 curry leaves for their flavor and aroma. Next goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a stir, and in this stir fry we will not use many masalas, since the Chinese potatoes or the kanga has its own flavor and taste. Next I am adding in cleaned and chopped kurka or the Chinese potatoes. I have chopped it into bite-sized pieces and I have peeled off all the skin from the potatoes. Stir and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. The stir fry is completely vegan and can be consumed during no onion garlic days or whenever you fast. And these are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps to boost the health of gut bacteria. So please try to include this as much as possible in your diet. Next we are adding in salt as per taste, and here I would like to tell you, if you add the salt in the beginning when you boil this Chinese potatoes, then take care here when you are adding the salt. Stir it and cook it further. The stir fry barely takes 5 to 6 minutes and it's very simple and quick, as you can see. Here I am adding in little salt to balance the flavors. It is very much advisable to include as much as root vegetables in your diet. Then I am adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. As you all know, any of the Goan dishes are incomplete without the coconut. You can increase the amount of coconut as per your preferences. Give it a mix and coat it thoroughly. I tried making this with masalas also, but trust me, the simplest version is the best version. Next I'll top it up with 1 teaspoon of ghee or the clarified butter. This again enhances the flavor of this stir fry. Give it a mix. and a healthy and flavorful Chinese potato stir fry or Kukukanga upkari is ready to be served. I hope you like today's recipe. If so, then please hit that like button, share this recipe with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so far. Thank you for your valuable time and thanks for watching.